Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a brand new explainer, and we are unpacking something really highly anticipated in the personal audio world. We're doing a full spec sheet deep dive into the brand new GoBolt Tenet Pro. Now, if you've been following the true wireless stereo market lately, you know the competition is absolutely fierce right now. Manufacturers are constantly pushing the envelope, trying to cram these ultra-premium features into incredibly accessible price points, and honestly, based on the documentation we're looking at today, GoBolt is making a very aggressive play here. So let's jump right in and see exactly what this hardware brings to the table. Let's kick things off with a massive number, 75. Before we even talk about how these look or sound, this figure just jumps right off the spec sheet. GoBolt claims the Tenet Pro can deliver up to 75 hours of total playback time when you factor in the charging case. I mean, think about that. For a typical user listening for just a few hours a day, you are looking at potentially going weeks without needing to hunt down an outlet. It's a massive endurance claim, and it really sets a high bar for the rest of our deep dive today. All right, into section 1, introducing the GoBolt Tenet Pro, the next generation of affordable audio. Right off the bat, the Pro model keeps that really distinctive design language of the original, but it's dropping in 3 striking colorways. First up, you've got Crimson Red, which comes in the sleek black and red contrasting case. Then there's Frost White, and that one really pops with a striking purple interior. And finally, Olive Green, offering a slightly more muted, earthy aesthetic. As for getting your hands on them, they are rolling out across all the major platforms in India. We're talking the official GoBolt website, Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra. Moving right along to section 2, signature design and fit, building the perfect shaft. Okay, GoBolt is definitely throwing around some pretty dense marketing terminology here, so let's cut through the buzzwords, right? We have the orbit capsule design and the frost view shell. Essentially, these just refer to the aesthetic finish and that cool visual transparency of the materials they used. The charging case itself is branded the Prism Cut Power Vault, which gives it a nice, geometric, premium sort of naming convention. On the actual earbuds, you'll find the ANC insignia marking their noise-canceling tech and what they call a vacuum lock ear shell. Actually, that last one is absolutely crucial because it implies a major focus on passive noise isolation, basically creating a tight physical seal in your ear canal before the electronic noise cancellation even kicks in. But here's what I think is the most fascinating engineering detail about that fit. The source material explicitly notes that GoBolt uses a LiDAR-mapped ergonomic design specifically developed for Indian ears. They took all this 3D mapped data and paired it with elliptical ear tips and a capsule-shaped stem to make sure the fit is highly secure. By using spatial mapping technology like LiDAR to actually analyze the anatomical nuances of their target market, that is a surprisingly high-tech approach to molding a plastic shell, all aiming for a customized, locked-in feel that won't cause fatigue over a long listening session. Next up, section 3. Audio and noise cancellation, silencing the noise. Now, the absolutely crucial metric here is 32 decibels to be exact. The Tenet Pro features active noise cancellation capable of reducing background noise by up to 32 dB. Whether you're dealing with the annoying hum of an air conditioner, the rumble of your daily commute, or just loud chatter in a busy cafe, the onboard microphones are actively listening to your environment and generating anti-noise frequencies to literally cancel it out. Hitting that 32 decibel mark, that means a very significant reduction in environmental distractions so you can focus entirely on your music or podcast. Under the hood, it's pretty packed. We're talking large 13mm dynamic drivers right alongside AAC and SBC codec support to handle the sound quality. But what really stands out for your phone calls is the quad mic setup for environmental noise cancellation. It uses 4 distinct microphones to aggressively isolate your voice from whatever background clutter is happening around you. Let's shift gears to section 4, connectivity and performance, seamless integration. The whole integration ecosystem here is designed to be super versatile. Step 1, the earbuds connect seamlessly to both Android and iOS devices using the absolute latest Bluetooth 5.4 standard. This promises much better stability and energy efficiency. Step 2 is a massive quality of life feature, dual device connectivity. This lets you link the earbuds to your phone and your laptop at the exact same time, so you can seamlessly switch audio between, say, a Zoom call and a notification on your phone. And finally, step 3 opens up the GoBolt Amp app. This companion software gives you incredibly granular control. We're talking custom EQ settings, preset sound modes, basically allowing you to tailor the exact audio profile to exactly what you like. Now, if you're a mobile gamer, you're going to want to listen to this one. 45 milliseconds. The dedicated combat gaming mode drops the latency down to an ultra-low 45 milliseconds. That ensures your visual and audio sync stays razor sharp, which is a real game changer when every millisecond counts. Finally,
Section 5. Battery life and pricing. The ultimate value reveal.
All right, here is where things get incredibly competitive. The standard retail price for the GoBolt Tenet Pro in India is set at 6,999 rupees. However, the company announced a limited period launch offer that drops that entry point even further, letting early buyers snatch them up for just 1,499 rupees. When you stop and consider the 75 hours of battery life and that active noise cancellation we just went over, this pricing strategy is clearly meant to aggressively disrupt the budget audio market. No doubt about it. Just to solidify that whole value proposition, let's round out the remaining key specs. You get fast charging via a modern USB Type-C port, an IPX5 rating, meaning they are splash resistant, which is perfect for sweaty workouts or if you get caught out in a light rain, and lastly, built-in AI voice assistant support. That allows you to trigger Siri or Google Assistant completely hands-free. So this brings us to our final takeaway, and it's something I really want you to chew on. We've just gone through this explainer breaking down LiDAR-mapped custom fits, quad mic ANC, dual connectivity, and 32 decibels of active noise cancellation, all sitting at a price point under 1,700 rupees. It really forces us to ask, have high-end features like these finally become the new standard for budget audio? The ceiling for what we consider affordable tech just keeps rising, and it is absolutely fascinating to watch. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. Keep questioning the tech around you, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.